We are going to demonstrate the nasolacrimal duct wash. The indication for the nasolacrimal duct wash is that due to a habronemesis infection or a summer sore, sometimes the nasolacrimal duct goes blocked. In order to demonstrate it, in this model, we have passed a small tube that is close to the size of a nasolacrimal duct, passing from the medial canthus of the eye to the nasal meatus. Now we will demonstrate you how to pass a tube and flush this nasolacrimal duct. For that purpose, we have used this butterfly catheter that is used in human medications. We will take this tube like this. Firstly, we have to identify the opening of the nasolacrimal duct. This opening is usually present at the junction of the skin of the nose and the mucous membrane. In the donkey, this opening of the nasolacrimal duct is present under the roof of the nostril. It is placed here. However, in the horses, the placement of this nasolacrimal duct is on the floor of the nostril. It is here. Now we will show you how we will going to wash the nasolacrimal duct. We will identify the opening of the nasolacrimal duct and place a finger here in order to make it immobilized, and we will slowly push this like this. After we have ensured that it is in the nasolacrimal duct, we will take a syringe and take normal saline into the syringe in order to wash the nasolacrimal duct. Like this, we are going to attach it to this catheter. Now, when we going to push this normal saline into this, you can see that the normal saline is coming from the median canthus. After that, it has been cleared. If the nasolacrimal duct is blocked, the water will not pass down in this way. So this is the procedure of doing a nasolacrimal wash in a horse. Thank you very much.